The next power we got is the power to establish immigration and naturalization laws for the federal government. Through times this has changed. It's now a department known as the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, which is under one of the more recently established cabinets, the Department of Homeland Security. So the pathway to becoming a citizen in the United States goes through this department. It's a little bit more complicated than what first meets the eye, and in fact there's multiple different pathways to citizenship in the United States of America if you were going to immigrate and go through the naturalization, in other words, the process of becoming a citizen to the United States. You could look that up on their website, but basically there's three main ways: getting a green card and being a resident for 5 years and going through the process. If you're married to a citizen, you have to reside at least 3 years and go through a similar process, or depending on what your situation is, if you're able to join the U.S. military, that's another pathway. Each one has some complicated bureaucracy with it that you have to just look up on the website to just read the details. So it's an awful lot to make real short for this type of purpose, but it is a power that the United States government has to oversee.